Pinalobo yung price, yung jackpot, para tayaan. At sino yung tumaya? At paano yung pagtaya? I will explain. Na ang tanong, talaga bang may nananalo sa loto? Hindi ba naman manipula yung laro? O baka naman ito ay moro-moro lang, sabi nga ng mga marami na nakipag-usap sa akin. So, isa po yan sa unang-una natin talakayin. Now, having said that, umpisahan natin yung concern ng marami, yung pagdadagdag ng 500,000 sa nanalo noong December sa 649. Not only doon sa 649, kundi sa 642, 645, 655, and 658. Kasi nga po, yung pagdadagdag, pagkakarga ng big amount sa isang game, in this case sa 649, in the amount of 500,000 pesos, ay questionable. It is not a smart business practice. Let me remind you that PCSO is in a business of charity. Negosyo rin po ang PCSO. Walang negosyo sa buong mundo na meron na nga silang kita at yung kita nila ay ibabalik para isugal nang sa gayon papanalunin ng isang tao. Bakit kinakailangan magdagdag? In the case dun sa 649 noong December na game, I think napanalo yon, was it January? At December and January, nagdagdag ng 500,000 pesos. 500 million pesos. Now, let's start with that. Yung pong pagdadagdag, pagkakarga, augmentation o tawagin sa isang lotto game, ang reason noon ay para dumami yung mga mananaya. Matagal na ho ba na practice yun, Mr. Robles?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. First of all, let me describe add a little po dun sa promotion. In December, way back in October towards the end of October, during our anniversary, the board has decided on our 89th anniversary, we increased all bets for 89 million. That is our way of promoting and celebrating our anniversary. This was taken from the prize fund, Your Honor, and which, as our records show, really increased our sales. And then, encouraged by that, for the December, knowing that we have a surplus fund for our prize fund reserve, the board has decided to create another promo. Ang tawag po namin, Handog Pakabog. No? This is really a marketing campaign to encourage more, and as a way of thanking the bettors to bet more and participate more para po pag-usapan yan at ngayon to excite the market. And I'm happy to inform you, Mr. Chairman, that for the last 30 days, bumalik na po yung ininvest namin doon and we made 800 million po in net, not to mention the taxes po that it generated.
So bago kayo nag-augment ng 470 million doon sa jackpot ng 649, how much was the jackpot price?
28 million po, 249,201.
So 28 million.
Opo.
Okay.
So we added 472 million, and the sales from that promo, from that action po was 675,122,860, netting us 202,372,061 po.
So doon sa dinagdag yung 472, bumalik, magkano bumalik po?
675 po.
675 ang balik.
Opo.
So meron kayong gain na 100.
202 po. 202,370.
The reason why I'm asking that, Mr. Robles, ito yung issue. Sa 649, 14 million ang total combinations. Tama?
Opo.
You follow me? Lahat
Opo.
kayo? So 14 million combinations, you times that sa 20 equals to 280 million.
Opo.
Tama? So kung ima-minus mo yung 280 sa 640 kasi yun ang naging jackpot eh. Tama? Is equals to 360 million. So napapalo niyo pa ako. Now, lumilitaw ayon po sa mga taong nag-reply sa akin sa social media, mga taong nakausap ko, yung mga mananaya, pinalobo yung price, yung jackpot, para tayaan. At sino yung tumaya? At paano yung pagtaya? I will explain. So, nandun na po tayo sa 260 million. Ang sinasabi ng ilan, merong kayong plinanta na tao para tayaan ang lahat ng possible combinations. At ginawa yun yun, 280 million ang ginastos. Minus dun sa 640, may ganansya pang 360. Paano gagawin yon? 14 million combinations. Napakatagal yon. Kung tutuusin. DICT, you're still following? Now, ang sinasabi ngayon nila, possible naman daw yon. Especially, itong 649 ay pinalunan sa online. Pwedeng manipulahin yung machine na para magkaroon na automatic sequence betting na in a matter of minutes or hours, kaya nang matayaan ang lahat ng numero.
Your concern, Mr. Chair, is very valid. We understand that you really wanted to get at the bottom of this. But kami po ay tumataya. Ang laro po namin ay you have to bet it actually. Yung system betting, which is actually with the e-lotto, is actually only for 6 days yung advance nila. Ano po? So, we don't know of yung sinasabi yung ganyan po karaming massive voting. Hindi ko po alam paano po gagawin yon. And to begin with po, we would like to assure you that you can never manipulate it. Kaya nga po allowed kami mag-bet, Mr. Chair. Even I can bet because it's beyond me, Mr. Chairman. Even if we wanted to, with the system we have po, we cannot. Kaya I take exception kung na kayang panalunin, no? Definitely, marami pong tataya pag malaki ang jackpot. Yun po naman ang objective namin. So really bring in the bettors. No, because if mamanipulahin yan, kung kaya pong manipulatin yan, Your Honor, I don't think you had to bet more. Kasi kung ang premise natin ay mamanipulate, I think just 20 pesos will be enough.
Okay. Mr. Chair, Mr. General Manager, you're hearing me but you're not listening. Wala akong sinasabi na mamanipulahin yung game. There's no manipulation actually, kung tutusin. What I'm trying to say here is, tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. Again, DICT, tatayaan yung 14 million combinations. Sabi mo kasi may 6 days.
Yung advanced betting
Advanced?
po yan,
Okay.
advanced betting. Mr. Chair, if I may.
Sir, let me finish. Tatayaan po lahat na itong 14 million combinations. How would that happen? Kasi kung 14 million, hindi naman pwede isang tao taya dito, taya doon, taya doon. Magulo at impossible. Pero pwedeng gawin ng isang tao lang at merong siyang kasabwat sa Pacific online. Kasi di ba yung 649, it was one through Iloto. Tama?
Hindi po, sa ano po yan, sa stand-alone po yung over the counter.
Sige, okay pa rin ako dyan, kahit na standalone. Okay, ngayon, tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. In matters of days, not days, in matters of hours, may konting adjustment doon sa machine para matayaan lahat ng combinations. Sa PCSO, pwedeng magkaroon, not in PCSO, sa isang bodega dyan, 10 machine, walang gagawin, every second, every minute, every hour, kundi magge-generate ng taya hanggang sa makover na yung 14 million combinations in matters of hours, in a matter of hours. After 24 hours, bingo, 10 machines, natayaan na yung 14 million combinations. That is the reason why nagkaroon ng duda yung pagdadagdag. Kaya nga, I'm here to tell you, I will stop that practice ninyo na mag-augment from the prize fund.